Now that we've classified our customers based on their profitability, we can turn it around and take a customer-oriented approach. Now we'll classify our customers based on their needs.
I'm not difficult to please. I'm just looking for a smartphone that also freshens my breath while I play games on it.
Once their needs are met, the customer will become more valuable. What do we mean by customers' needs? The answer depends on the business we operate. For instance, some customers might buy ice cream as a dessert, others as an occasional treat. For a lot of people, getting ice cream is celebratory, enjoyed on birthdays and holidays.
I promised myself some ice cream once I finished my novel.
Write out the needs of each customer, which would suggest new products for them. The customer who purchases ice cream as a dessert may want prepared ice cream and cakes that can be purchased and taken away for home consumption. The customer who is celebrating with ice cream may have that need met by ice cream birthday cakes or event hosting services.
We should make ice cream an Arbor Day tradition.
A customer whose needs are met will be very valuable to your company.